Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin McBride. After a couple of deadly left-of-center crashes along State Route 60 in Washington and Morgan County, the Ohio State Highway Patrol began working with ODOT to find a solution.
The answer, centerline rumble stripes. While these aren't the best option in every location, they were the best solution in this situation. Crews will begin installing them next week. We've used this option on State Route 93 in Benton County back in 2015 after 3 deadly crashes within 18 months. Since then, we've had no fatal crashes in that location. It's a great example of 2 state agencies working together to make our roads safer.
Our forces do a lot of maintenance projects, but in some cases, we can use them for bigger projects as well. Brent Kovacs explains from Northeast Ohio.
Today I'm standing on State Route 528 in Geauga County. The crews behind me from both Lake and Geauga County came together to partner on this culvert replacement job. Why? To save you a bunch of money. ODOT's cost on this project is approximately $25,000. If a contractor did this job, it would cost well over $200,000.
Well, we replaced a complete crossover here that was 36-inch, and we changed it. They upgraded it to a 5-footer. Our initial dig down to subgrade was about 19 feet, and we put 115 foot of new pipe in.
For The Loop in sunny Geauga County, I'm Brent Kovacs.
Thanks a lot, Brent. Well, one of the dirtier jobs our crews do, picking up roadkill. But in the Toledo area, roadkill has actually forged a unique partnership. Our Who Knew guru found we're not lying.
Lion? Seriously, Bruning? Wow. Well, it won't be long before we see an increase in the number of deer versus vehicle crashes in Ohio. Well, that's bad for you and me, but not everyone is upset about it. Our ODOT crews in Lucas County work with the Toledo Zoo to feed deer killed on our roadways to, well, they're carnivores.
And they are a great resource for the zoo because we get very fresh, quality meat that we can use in some of our enrichment programs. And the enrichment is a wonderful opportunity for our animals to behave more like animals.
Now, there are some guidelines we have to follow. Obviously, we can't drop off any carcasses that could potentially have diseases like rabies, which Bruning has. We also can't take any that have been laying along the road for more than 48 hours. Also, all the carcasses are inspected by a veterinarian at the zoo to make sure they're safe. So while we see deer as a hazard to motorists, this mountain lion at the Toledo Zoo, he sees lunch. Deer carpaccio, anyone? Who knew?
Rabies? Really, Dave?
Yeah, you can take a few steps that way. Well, District 1 had their 3rd annual Mentoring Day, which is an educational experience for children, teens, and young adults. They shadow a relative or family friend who works at ODOT. Nearly 40 guests participated in the day's events.
It looks like a really cool event there. We'll get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media. And we always love your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending us great videos just like this one from Mentoring Day in ODOT District 1.
And now you're